Report management shouldn't slow programmers down. Our customizable task, layout, and part report naming options make identifying reports simple and flexible. Instead of being locked into fixed names, programmers can now include program name and report template names directly in the file output. This makes each report instantly recognizable and easier to trace. Unlike our previous versions that only supported rigid naming limitations, our new approach adapts to your workflow. The result is improved traceability, easier organization, and the flexibility to match reporting to your exact needs. Additionally, keeping track of parts across multiple layouts can be tedious and error-prone. Our nest ID and layout image makes it simple. Each part is assigned a unique numerical ID which is overlaid directly on the layout image. That means programmers can quickly cross-reference parts and track them with confidence. This system ensures every part is clearly marked and easy to follow, leading to fewer mistakes and a streamlined part management from start to finish.